Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, I'm Tammy and welcome. Now in today's video I am going to be showing you a sponsored product by COSTWAY. We're going to be introducing a healthy lifestyle, so if you want to see this product, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, my package came like this. And again, this is through COSTWAY. I've sponsored with them before. And this is actually their vegetable container, succulent container. It's actually a planter. We're going to unbox it. And you guys, this thing was packaged very, very nicely. It was very sturdy, very heavy. And it took me a while. It's been doing a lot of raining here in my area. So we're going to just get this planter unboxed and set up. Now I had a total of 8 of these different sleeves is what I'm calling them. We're going to unpack them and we're going to let you see how we're going to set up. And I'm going to plant a little bit of, one I'm going to put flowers in and one I'm going to put some vegetables in, you guys. Now that I've had the pieces out of the box, these are the clamps, and I'm going to let you see them very closely. These are the clamps that actually ties the planter together. And again, I received this planter from COSTWAY. COSTWAY is an online retailer. They actually sell through Amazon as well. Now this product I did receive is the Giant Tex. It's a vegetable and succulent resistant planter. Now this planter can actually be styled in different shapes, and here I'm just showing you me snapping that planter in place on the edges, but you can style the shape in different ways. It's very easy to assemble. Now what I did realize is when you're assembling this, not only does it assemble easy, it gives you the pegs to hold your planter securely in place, and you're going to see me style all of that together as well. Now you can set this planter up in double 2 squares. You can set it up in a rectangle. You can set it up in a long rectangle box or octagon shape. You can style this planter many ways, but I'm just setting mine up dual, making it dual function because I want to actually plant 2 different things. And here you just see me finishing setting it up. You guys, please don't forget now, do make sure you check out COSTWAY, and you're going to be seeing some more of these, you guys, because I am actually introducing a healthy lifestyle onto my channel. So you're gonna see some actually gardening as well, and you're gonna see what we're gonna be planting. So please make sure you check them out. And you guys, the versatility of these planters is top notch, you guys. I was able to maneuver these planters around, put them in different places, and you can make planting so easy and convenient for yourself by being able to move them. Now this is what mine looked like after I finished setting mine up, you guys. But I promise you, you will like these planters if you do any type of gardening, whether it's for food or for florals. And again, the full specs on this planter is the Giant Tex 4x4 foot planter raised bed octagon garden bed for vegetables or flowers. It is 8-inch deep, and it also weather resistant for outdoor use and lawn use. And again, it is very, very, very easy to assemble. And it does have the multiple configuration as well. This planter is also stable in structure, and it is made with durable material, and it has protective round edges. You can also plant vegetables, flowers, herbs, and fruit in your planter. And this is a rectangular, square, or octagon planter. It is constructed of 8 panels, and it is also consisted as a raised bed. It also has a very unique drainage to keep your roots healthy. And once again, it is fully made of weather resistant material for outdoor use. And this raised planter box is waterproof. I'm sorry, you guys. It's waterproof HDPE, which is resistant to wear and tear and more durable and can withstand severe weather conditions than a traditional wooden bed. And besides, the exterior of the panel is fixed by plastic buckles, such as to reinforce and make the structure of your garden more stable. Now, please make sure you do go and check out COSTWAY. All of their information is down in my description box. And if you're in the garden this year, this will be a very high commodity for you. Thanks, COSTWAY, and I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Have a blessed and wonderful day.